Yo, come with your boy to an advanced screening of Jurassic World Rebirth. It's in 4DX, an experience so real that I really hope I don't see a real dinosaur in the theater. Oh, this was at the Regal NoHo West in North Hollywood, which you might recognize from one of the greatest commercials of all time. There you go! They hooked it up with these ponchos, because if you're gonna see this movie in 4DX, you're bouts to get moist. And by the way, those of you in the comments already typing up, man, you're not supposed to use your phone and record in the theater. Shut the fuck up! They said I could. So if you're looking for something to do to beat the heat, this 4D experience has tons of water and air effects that'll keep it cool, and the motion in the seats make you feel like you're at an amusement park. Thank you to that hashtag show Universal Pictures 4DX and Regal Cinemas for the advanced screening. Please invite me to more cool stuff. So it's a couple days later, I'm editing this video, and I'm only at 52 seconds, which means I need 8 more seconds, so...